not like the other superheroes, and never will be. But the thing is, that's okay. I'm proud to call myself a Teen Titan, and so are my friends. Yes, so laugh at us all you want, but we're still going to take you down.
Wait, what? What are your stupid songs?
Exactly. Teen Titans go! Baseball, I'm too straight up into an animal. Yes, any animal will. Yeah, I'm a kid now. Check out the kid in the storm. The fire, the light, the wire. The alien princess in my alien attire. The energy blast, the supersonic speed. With the smoke clouds and river rains, full step, getting steady, doing my thing. Robin, the leader. Robin, in charge. Robin's the Lord. Waving his hands and dropping on you even harder than the darker than me. I'm the darkest can be. Check it out, around, let's be on the day I know. Teleport, magical power, reality.
That song was monumentally dope.
The song was so sick, it blew up Slade's robot. Yeah. What about the other superheroes? Oh, yeah.
Apologies for friends. Oh, drat. You guys took down Slade
And saved the world.
Hey, I guess you weren't such goofsters after all.
Fellow heroes, I've learned something important today. You don't need to be super to be a superhero. You just need to be yourself. And expanding on that thought, we should never forget that. Dude, why are you still talking? I was simply trying to highlight the lesson we all learned.
No one wants to hear that, man.
Dude, the movie's wrapping up. People are trying to get out of here. But I need to say my important takeaway message from this experience. You know, something kids can talk to their parents about on the drive home. It's great.
I'm sorry, Mr. Robin, but this is not that type of movie. To the credits.
Wait. Kids, ask your parents where babies come from.
know we're still here.
Oh yeah, this is the Teen Titans. Can anyone hear us? I think we found a way back.